Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy an online course with Canvas, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Canvas account. Navigate to the dashboard where your courses are listed. Click on the Create a New Course button. Enter a descriptive name for your course in the provided field. Select the appropriate settings for your course. Activate the course by clicking on the Course Status option. Once active, proceed to the Settings tab in the course menu. Review and adjust the course details such as course code and start date. Next, click on the Modules tab to structure your course content. Create a new module by selecting the Plus Module button. Name your module and click Add Module. Within your module, add content by selecting Plus Item. Choose the type of fill in the relevant details for each item you add. Remember to set the prerequisites and requirements where applicable. Once your module is populated with content, arrange the items in the desired order. Proceed to the Assignments tab to set grading criteria. Create new assignments by clicking on the Plus Assignment button. Set the point value and submission details for each assignment. After setting up assignments, move to the Quizzes tab to create assessments. Click on Plus Quiz to start building your quiz. Define the quiz settings, including time limits and question types. Add questions by selecting from question banks or creating custom questions. Once finished, save your quiz and return to the course menu. Next, go to the Syllabus tab to provide students with an overview of the course. Add a detailed description and list due dates for assignments and quizzes. Review all course settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Once satisfied, click on Publish to make your course live for students. Communicate the course access information to your students. Encourage students to log in and explore the course materials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.